Guys, at request nasalita si Snowy. What do you want? What? You want to eat again? Huh? What do you want? You want your favorite flakes? Snowy? Talk to me. You want your favorite flakes? Huh? Tell me. Alas, I will go. Bye. Bye, Snowy. Guys, I'm here in the washroom. And then she called me and want again food. That's Snowy's life. Why are you hungry? Why that kind of looks? I don't appreciate it. What do you want? You want food? Okay, I'll take it now. And the other one is waiting also. This one. Come here. Come. Come na, down. Come here. I will put Snowy's favorite and Leia's favorite. Ah. Oh, it's here. Go down, mother. Mother Snowy, come down. It's ready. Don't be shy. I know you love it. Come here. Oh, it's free. Come. Oh, Kalas, I will go now. Enjoy your food. The other one is waiting and little by little coming down. Okay. No, Snow is coming. No, we're not going out. I'm not going out. No, we're not. No, no, no. I have work. I have work. Where do you want to go? Huh? Where do you want to go? I have work. Sorry. Okay, bye-bye. I'm busy.